What if the thing you've been calling damage is actually data? And what if the way you've been thinking about your past is the reason you feel stuck? Most people look at what they've been through: job loss, heartbreak, setbacks, and they label it as damage, something that broke them, something that set them back. But that perspective keeps you stuck in the story instead of using it.
When I was terminated while on medical leave, I could have easily labeled that moment as damage. And for a while, I did. It felt like everything I had worked for just stopped. But when I stepped back, I realized something. That experience wasn't just painful, it was revealing. Here's the shift.
Damage focuses on the emotion. Data focuses on the information. Damage says, I'm not good enough. Data says, I don't thrive in environments like that. When you treat your past as data, you start asking different questions. Not, why did this happen to me? But, what is this showing me? What worked? What didn't? What drained me? What actually supported me? Instead of saying, I failed, you start saying, the data shows I was in the wrong environment. That's a completely different level of clarity. This is why the bounce back journey method includes reframe. Because you can't build a future from a story that's working against you. If you suffered, make sure you get the lesson. Everything counts. Try this. Take one situation you've been calling damage and ask yourself, what did this teach me about? What I need, what I value, what no longer works for me. You're not starting over. You're starting informed. Your past is not your limitation. It's your data. Calm first. Clarity follows. This is the bounce back journey.